Peace and positive vibes. Energies. How they affect you. Are you creating your heaven or are you creating your hell? See, that's the thing. People don't understand energy. And energy, we are energy. We are spirits, souls. Alright? We contain an aura. That aura is the energy that you give off to the universe. Alright? Now, that energy center would be your brain. Okay? The way you think, your crown chakra. So whatever energies you put out via your thoughts, that's the energies you attract. Alright? So again, I'll throw the question out there again. Are you creating your heaven or are you creating your hell? You shape your realities. Okay? Via your belief system. And the thing is, this belief system starts from as a child. Because what many don't understand is that karma is real. The energies that you may be experiencing right now in your life could stem from your grandparents, from your great-grandparents, all right? Your family tree. So I would always tell persons to look at their family history. Look at some of the same stuff that you see keep occurring in your family. All right? So it's up to you to break that chain. Okay? And it all starts here. How you think about yourself. How you shape your own reality. Okay? Because your belief system is very strong. It's real. People don't understand how powerful this is. Like the other day I just was watching I don't know if you watch Lucifer, the TV show. Interesting show. I was watching season 5 episode 1 and it was almost shocking that they actually put this on television. I mean, people don't understand entertainment. TV, aka television, is there to tell you the truth. At the same time, they make the truth into a comedic relief, meaning that even though they're showing you the truth, they make it as if it's okay, it's just for television, it isn't real, you know. But this is the truest form of reality that you could ever grasp in your life. In episode 1 of season 5, when Lucifer said that you create your hell, you create your heaven. The episode was that this guy, he met some drug dealers, some drug boys, and he got a loan from one of them and he never paid it back. You know, he went out and buy a yacht, throwing parties and, you know, having all the women he could ever think of and imagine. And he wasn't checking about paying his debt back. So, as we know in the drug world, they went and they collect him, killed him. So when Lucifer appeared, and Lucifer told him that you're gonna be killed in the next couple seconds. He was like, yeah, he only laughed. He didn't believe it. But the thing is, he didn't realize that he actually was in hell. And he just keep going through the same karma over and over and over again, the same loop. And like Lucifer told him, you are creating your hell. You don't realize that? You could create your heaven or you could create your hell. And it was like so mind-boggling that this was right there on TV, and many didn't grasp this. Many didn't understand this. You create your heaven. You create your hell. And it all starts right here. You gotta believe in thyself. Hence this channel, Know Thyself. You gotta know thyself. Even though we going through this pandemic, do not let this pandemic keep you down. You could still accomplish stuff. Like I always tell people, since this pandemic started, a pandemic is never a good thing. Never. But if you could see the silver lining is that you need to start doing stuff for yourself. Okay? What do you like? What are your gifts? Expand on that. Become an entrepreneur. Become an entrepreneur. Think in terms of you owning something. Because if this pandemic didn't show you how much you depend on somebody to sustain your life, aka give you money via a job, if this didn't show you how worthless you could be, when I say worthless, I mean in terms of a boss telling you that, okay, yeah, well, hey, we'll be laying you off, or we're gonna fire you. And if you didn't have stuff in place, then what? Then what? Life ends because of that? No. This is what I'm saying. You create your heaven, you create your hell. So you gotta start thinking in terms of entrepreneurship, okay? In terms of owning something. I'm not saying something is wrong with the 9 to 5 system, but I mean, blind Blake could see that it's crumbling. Anyone could look around and see that the 9 to 5 system is crumbling. And if COVID didn't show you that you now got to start doing something for yourself, nothing else will. You'll just be lost in this matrix, working a 9 to 5 over and over and over again. All right, someone telling you how much you should be paid. Most cases, persons in the hood make minimum wage or just above it. You don't want your life to be like that, okay? You don't want to create a hell. So what are you manifesting? Are you manifesting your hell, or are you manifesting a heaven? All right. When people hear the terms of heaven and hell, they only think of in the afterlife and death. No, you got to think of it right here too, because whatever you think is what you reap. You attract that. So even in this physical plane, this garden that we call Earth, you attract your heaven or you attract your hell. You could attract a hell, whereas you don't know where your next dollar coming from. The landlord is on your ass. All right. Your children crying, they don't have no food to eat. Okay, this is a hell. You don't have no money to put no gas in your car. This is a hell. And what many persons don't grasp is that this karma energy is the same loop. You didn't break that chain, so you got to start breaking these chains via your belief system, how you think of yourself. Create your heaven, don't create a hell. This entire pandemic is an attack on your crown. All right. Corona means crown. Your crown chakra, which is your brain, the way you think. This is why all over television, what you see sorrow. Okay, you see negative energy. All right. Be afraid. People are dying. Be afraid. It's just negative energy. Okay, this is an attack on your crown. And you don't understand how the way you think affects your health, your belief system. So the elites who run this world, they know what they are doing. It's an entire attack on your crown, your belief system, the way you think. The way you think shape all your cells, your genomes. All right? And all your cells in your body react to how you think, the energies that you put out via your aura. So again, are you creating your hell, or are you creating a heaven? The way you think, once you believe that, once you believe you will get whatever you want in this life via positive energy, you will manifest that. I'm not saying it's going to happen overnight, but if you put the time in to think that you will accomplish whatever you choose, meditate on that. Believe within yourself that you have it already. I will guarantee you that you will attract that. You attract anything, whether negative or positive. But you got to believe that. And that's the same way even with illnesses. If you believe within yourself that you won't defeat that illness, what you think is going to happen? It's going to get worse, to the point that you may even die from it. But if you believe within yourself that I know that my body will respond and defeat this, you will defeat it. Are you creating your heaven, or are you creating your hell? Peace and positive vibes, and know thyself. Worth. Limitless. Create your heaven, not no hell.